Get ready for the next big challenge in packaging innovation. Introducing the 2025-2026 season of Pack Challenge, Pack and Stack. This year, we're taking on one of the most critical aspects of supply chain efficiency, palletizing. Your challenge? To design, build, and market a cutting-edge palletizing machine that meets real-world operational requirements. The best part? The top teams will qualify to compete live on stage at Pack EXPO International in Chicago, Illinois from October 18th to the 21st, 2026. This competition isn't just about stacking boxes. It's about solving real industry challenges. The key factors? Stability, efficiency, and a retail-ready display. Palletizing is a crucial step in getting products from the distribution center onto the truck and ultimately into retail spaces. A well-designed system ensures secure transport, seamless handling, and shelf-ready presentation for club store customers. Teams have until September 30th to register. To advance in the competition, teams must submit a comprehensive video presentation that integrates all aspects of their design concept along with supporting documentation, including an executive summary, a detailed design proposal, and a marketing strategy. Finalists will be evaluated based on creativity and innovation, technical execution, communication and presentation skills, and adherence to competition guidelines. This comprehensive approach ensures teams showcase not only their engineering expertise, but also their ability to present a viable business case. Think you have what it takes to revolutionize palletizing? Join the challenge, compete with the best, and make your mark in the packaging industry. Visit packchallenge.org to learn more and register your team today.